Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to allow or disallow JavaScript on your Google Chrome browser on your PC. So it's very easy. So open first your Google Chrome and it will open here as you see. Come to these three dots and click. So open then your settings. So when you click on your settings, it will show you this page. So you come here and click on privacy and security. Scroll down this list, click on site settings and scroll down this list again until you found JavaScript. Click, and from here you can allow allow JavaScript, and here you can disallow it. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.